Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in the UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience of Satyagraha after becoming back to India with ahimsa non-violence. He fought for the freedom of India from the British rule. It is because of him and other national freedom fighter India's got freedom from 200 years of slavery. Gandhiji's being such a great leader preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for their right. He asked the Indians to not to serve the British and fight for their freedom. It is because of its devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He joined Gopala Krishna Gokhale, who was already struggling for India's independence. During this struggle, Gandhiji has to go jail several times. He has led to many important movements such as the Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement also. He started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930 and walked for 400 kilometers. Quit India was a call to Britishers to leave India and go. He did great works all through his life which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. He has worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj to remove untouchability custom from society, the eradication of other social evils, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers, and many more. Many leaders and freedom fighters have also contributed their part in getting India's independence, such as Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and many more. They have fought till the death and touched their feet and taken them to heaven. In the history of India, these national freedom fighters along with Gandhiji will always be remembered. India finally got his independence on 15th of August 1947 and we celebrate this day as Independence Day every year. So students, I hope you have liked this video and if you have liked this video, do subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Father of Nation, was born on October 2nd, 1869 at a small town named Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary will celebrate in India. Not only in India, his birth anniversary will celebrate and organize with different programs around the world. On this occasion, today I am going to tell you the speech on Gandhi Jayanti. So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video I am going to tell you some lines on Gandhi Jayanti. So please watch this video till last and if you do like this video, do subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So hello and good morning everyone. My name is Anushka and we have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This is Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of Nation. Also sometimes we called him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd of October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate, inspire the present generation. The contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence, Satya and Param Ahimsa. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 15th of June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along the President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices, and government organizations remains closed on this national holiday. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in the UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After